Hello, myself Dr. Sudeshna Mukherjee and I practice in Healthy Mind Clinic, Siliguri. So I'm a consultant psychiatrist and every month there is some important day celebrated for mental health awareness. So this June month is for men's mental health. So why is it important that we talk about men's mental health separately? It is because many a times, according to the societal norms, men do not share their level of distress or if they're suffering from anxiety and depression. And as I have seen by common experience, that most of the times men do resort to substance use or some kind of gambling or such kind of ways to vent out whatever anxiety or depression they are suffering from. So there are more people to tell men to come and have a drink than to go to the doctor. So that is something which becomes a thing of a stress, because we have seen that as we see depression in females, we see depression in males too, and suicidal rates are quite high in males, and men are known to have completed suicides and the comparison as in comparison to females. So many a times the depression or anxiety or stress, burnout, whatever the men go through, so that is often overlooked or that is often not taken into the account, and they do not seek help. So unless it becomes very distressful. So it is important that men themselves as well as their family members and their caregivers do notice the symptoms of all these kind of mental health disorders and do prevent them from starting substances or these kind of activities, which then again complicates the issue overall. So there are common mental health disorders that men suffer from, and seeking help is not weakness. So when you go for treatment to the doctor, when you share your feelings, when you share your symptoms, there are treatments available for it, there are therapies available for it, and once you get treated, you can be off treatment too. So there should not be any stigma regarding that why you went to the doctor for help, because mental health treatment and mental health facilities should be available to everyone despite of the gender. Thank you.